to It's a Hot Cocoa and Cookie Kind of Christmas collab. Host Tangie from HomeDecor DIYs and more will be your host. We also have a co-host, so make sure you check out the playlist in the description. And here's our co-host. It's Linda from Style by Miss Linda. Check out that playlist. Alright guys, as you know, this is a hot chocolate bar. Mine is mixed together with my coffee station. Got my hot chocolates in here. I just pulled out one of my Swiss Miss. And we're going to make some hot chocolate. Got my little Christmas cup for my hot chocolate. I got this from Kohl's. Coffee cups are over here. And guys, I got some matching stirrers. I just actually got these delivered. They're from Amazon. Alright guys, so we're going to take this over to another area that I want you to see, because I don't just drink my hot chocolate like this. I like to add peppermint. Alright guys, this is my peppermint station. I love having a cup of hot cocoa, and I'm going to take you on a tour of what I got over here, and then I'm going to show you how I like my hot chocolate, which I'll put over here for the meantime. Any kind of peppermint I like to have with my hot chocolate, but I like these peppermint barks by this brand. I like this peppermint kiss, and I just have it decked out a little festive. I got my winterberry holly in the back, and I've got my little Christmas decorations on here, and I've got some candies laid out already, and I keep my extras in here. There's my peppermint kisses, peppermint bark, and you never have too much of the actual candy. If you have tried this brand, you know it's really good, but I've never really had both of them together. This is my first year. I actually tried them both, and I didn't think anything could get better than the peppermint bark. But trying them one after the other, I actually like the kisses. I'm so shocked because these are so much cheaper. So yeah guys, if you like peppermint bark, try them both. I mean, this has the little peppermint candies in them, and I don't know if this is something new, but Hershey's Kisses, theirs has some peppermint candies in it as well. Alright guys, so I'm just realizing I have my chocolate peppermint station next to my stove, and I might have to rearrange that, but we'll see how it works out. Yeah, I've tried to make it a little festive. I've got my poinsettias, and I've got my little Christmas decorations over here, and I'm going to show you what I do with my hot chocolate. To start my morning, I take a piece of peppermint bark and I open it up, and I'm all ready to enjoy a nice cup of hot peppermint cocoa. I want to thank Tangie and Linda for the opportunity to participate in this collaboration. It was so much fun, and I enjoyed it. If you like this content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to go to the description box and check out the other ladies in the playlist. They've got some awesome content. And thanks so much for stopping by to see my chocolate bar / peppermint bar. You guys have a good one.